41,000 ATVs, motorized scooters, and mopeds crushed. That's the headline that I saw coming out of New York City. That's their answer to removing illegal motorized vehicles from the street. You know, we like to wrap ATVs, motorcycles, and things of that nature. And man, when I saw some of these, this dude's Yamaha ATV had the most beautiful wrap on it. I feel so sorry he lost that bike. So if you're in New York City and you're driving your scooter, and you're making a delivery, if you don't have a registration for that baby, look out. Those cops are looking for you. They're going to grab you, yank you off that bike, and they're going to confiscate it. And they're damn proud of it. Look at this footage. They brought a drone in. They're all standing there, all super serious. Look what we've done. We've removed 41,000 of these motorized vehicles. Well, congratulations. I hope that helps your city. Until next time.